found here is a Williams Whirlwind System 11 MPU, and also the soundboard as well. So we've got a total of 8 sockets, so both of the game ROMs, both sound ROMs, both CPUs, the MB RAM, and also a 7406 over here that we did a little bit of trace repair. Whoever had pulled this before didn't put a socket in there, but they had pulled one of the traces leading up to, I believe, the first leg there, and had went ahead and just ran a jumper on the backside. So I went ahead and corrected that. We've got a total of 6 capacitors, so the 22 UF here in the reset, the 3 100 UF here in the power input, and then also the 2 10 UF here in the sound section. We also replaced the power input header here at J17, and the soundboard, again, like the Earthshaker, we went ahead and did a full cab kit. However, with this one here, we had an extra capacitor, which is a 1 UF 100 volt there. But let's go ahead and get this thing powered up, and we're gonna get pinball missing because we're on a test bench and don't have any balls in the game or anything. So let's go ahead and wait a second here for and so we've got the lamp matrix dancing, and we've got the, which is the AC relay select, wanting to do something there. That obviously displays, but I'll show you whenever we go into test. That obviously kicks off. I think it's probably controlling the fan, would be my guess. But there's the music. And that the AC relay select being on, that's totally normal, by the way.
All clear. All clear.
And there's the music and displays. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my overhead off because I know it's going to cause the displays to flicker here. Always does on a certain section, and actually sometimes does with the lights off. It's just pretty temperamental. Should be this section here. Typically it'll start rolling if I have the overhead on. And there we are, all working.
Uh-oh, looks like rain.
And all sounds working correctly. And all lamps into the single lamps. And we're just gonna fly through. Obviously all those are working. And into the coil test. So again, the red side being the A side and blue side being the C side. And the red LED over here being the AC relay. Special solenoids. And we'll go ahead and test the switch inputs there as well, and those are all working correctly. And into switch test. So again, just going through diagonally, testing both rows and columns. And Whirlwind actually registers all 64, even though they're not all used. And that is everything there. So again, we are 100% working and good to go. So thank you so much.